Let me ask you something. When artificial intelligence saves company thousands of hours, who benefit from that saving? Is it only the company, only the balance sheet, or should the people who help creating this value also be part of the outcome? This is exactly why we created Trustive. Trustive is a human-centric AI assurance platform that helps organizations measure how much time and productivity AI actually save, then verify those savings into a transparent and responsible way. But Trustive, not just about numbers, dashboard, or reports, it's also about when AI improves workflow, help companies to understand the real human impact behind that improvement. Was that time saved? Was work improved? Were employees supported? Was the benefit shared fairly? And most importantly, did AI create trust? Did AI create fear? Today, many employees are worried that AI will make them replaceable. And honestly, that fear is real. But future does not have to be that way. With Trustive AI, productivity be transformed into a protected time learning opportunity, social time, and better workforce confidence for company. Trustive provide evidence governance and accountability. For employees, it sends a clear message. You are not invisible. Your time matters. Your contribution matters. And AI should work with you, not against you. Our vision is simple but powerful. AI should give people more time to make people feel irreplaceable. That's the idea behind Trustive. And this is how we build the future where AI creates value and humanity shares into that value.